versus Anita Among, International Women's Day messages, a contrast in tone and focus. Here is a detailed breakdown comparing the Women's Day messages from Norbert Mao, President of the Democratic Party, and Anita Among, Speaker of Parliament. Norbert Mao, the personal and familiar approach. Norbert Mao's thread, posted over several hours, adopts a deeply personal, sentimental, and genealogical tone. He uses the occasion to honor the specific women in his own life, framing their contributions through the lens of nurturing and character building. The mother, biological, he begins with the most primal connection, thanking his mother for carrying him. This emphasizes the physical sacrifice of motherhood. The other mother, Acholi, Mao acknowledges a second maternal figure who rooted him in Ugandan language and culture. This highlights the importance of tribal identity and heritage in Ugandan society. The grandmother, intellectual, he credits his grandmother for his unquenchable thirst for knowledge, quoting her powerful proverb, "Education is your mother, education is your father." This reinforces education as a universal provider. The hand, resilience, he thanks his hand for teaching him how to fight life's battle, focusing on survival and toughness. The wife, partnership, he concludes with his wife, Bear, calling her his best friend and traveling companion. The phrase "as a trudge on towards the sunset" evokes a sense of shared, enduring life journey. Analysis: Mao's message is a mosaic of personal gratitude. It celebrates women not as public figures, but as the architects of the man he became. It resonates on a human level, emphasizing family, culture, and private sphere. Anita Among, the public and institutional approach. Anita Among's message is formal, collective, and policy-oriented, fitting her role as a Speaker of Parliament. She focuses on the structural empowerment of women. The tone, it reads like a public address or a press release, using phrases like trailblazers, paved the way, and collective responsibility. The focus, the collective, instead of naming individuals, she honors all the trailblazers and women throughout history who hold families and nation together. It is a macro view of women's contributions. The sectoral recognition, she specifically calls out the justice, law, and other sectors, judges, police officers, lawyers, social workers. This is a distinct choice, highlighting women who enforce the law and protect society, which aligns with our position as Speaker. The call to action, our message pivots to a policy demand, increasing investment in legal aid, education, and awareness to accelerate access to justice for women and girls. Analysis: Among's message is a political and institutional tribute. It positions women as pillars of the state and society and urges for systemic change to protect their rights. It is less about emotion and more about legislation and public service.